Most commodities are up this morning off of news out of China. Good morning. I'm Pat McClatchy with the Ag Market Network Morning Update. Looking at the Chinese stock market, closed up 3.7% overnight off of news that of state intervention to curb short stock selling. So we are rallying the markets some this morning. The question is this something that's substantial, or is this something that's just a short-term bounce? Looking at the markets overnight, one of the lone exceptions to the markets being up are cotton. The cotton market right now is actually down 21 at 63.79. It has a high of 64.25 and a low of 63.37. The September soybeans are up 8.5 cents at 9.53.5 with a high of 9.57 and a low of 9.42 3/4. November soybeans up 9 3/4 at 9.45 1/4 with a high of 9.49 and a low of 9.33 1/4. Looking at September corn up 3.5 at 3.70. It has a high of 3.72 3/4 and a low of 3.67 1/4. December corn is up 3.25 at 3.79 3/4 with a high of 3.82 3/4 and a low of 3.77 1/4. September wheat up 3 at 5.02 with a high of 5.06 3/4 and a low of 4.98 3/4. Rice markets up 8.5 at 11.48 in September. Looking at the financial markets and the outside markets, we've got the dollar down 19 on the day. Crude oil is up 70 cents at 45.87 for the September crude. Gold and silver both up slightly. Gold up $4 an ounce and silver up 10 cents an ounce. And then we've got the S&P down 3.1 at the moment. Let's look at crop conditions. Came out yesterday, and it showed that cotton was unchanged in the good to excellent category. Soybeans saw a slight improvement. 63% good to excellent versus 62% the previous week. Corn was unchanged, 70% good to excellent versus the same number a week earlier. And then wheat slightly downgrade, good to excellent 70% versus a previous week of 71%. Looking at the calendar, factory orders come out today at 9 o'clock, and then the API energy stocks come out at 3:30. That's it. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you later.